Aditi, that is fine, right?
Yes, this is fine. This is not beta version.
Okay.
Within accounts, Shabas, within accounts,
Okay.
you have to create a folder for AMSH and AMSD. Go to credit lines. Within that, you have stop hold. Just check if you have stop hold. Yeah.
Yeah.
So ask Amisha to give you access to this stop hold folder.
Okay.
And here you have to create the element repository for AMSH and AMSD. Saurabh, I will show you the path, okay?
Yeah. And please guide him. Okay. Because see, this sprint is the last sprint for him. Okay. To get all the. That's why I want him. He should work in the real ground. Okay. So no more practice, no more getting is required. Okay. He should work on the real screen. Okay, Shahbaz?
Yeah, like for this stop and or hold, I should ask Amisha to give access.
First, you ask Amisha.
Yeah.
Because I think she locked it, so she will unlock it for you.
Okay.
Next thing is like Aditi will show you that particular screen. Okay. Or maybe she will show you how to capture one or two objects. You have to create all the objects for the screen. Okay. And you have to correct the XBAR.
Okay.
I think you already aware of how we are configuring all the elements or how we are writing the identifiers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do that. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So this is the task for you for today.
Okay.
Sorry, I'll take care of you.
Okay.
Shabas,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
share my screen.
Yes.
Do you have any test data?
No. Like I was working on Param, so in that there was no test data required.
So currently, what is assigned to you?
Param schemes like AM CTL 10 and 9.
So you have to complete the functional testing, or that's already done?
No, one was done already, but they had assigned me one more yesterday.
So this is for functional testing, right? Which you are doing currently.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one will be your priority?
Like I don't know. How will I know? Like.
So first complete the parent screen. Try to do it. How much time will it take? Any estimate you have?
Like I did not start yet. Need to start. Like I'll try to complete soon only.
So okay, this sprint you have time, right? So just see when you can get started on that. In the chat. So this is for AMSH, AMSD. This is also called as stop and hold account. Okay.
Okay.
This is how you need to navigate. I'll highlight the navigation part. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. 2 minutes. This is the navigation part. Swap the option. The second one, okay?
Yeah.
So I'll give you first the simple ones, okay? Once that is done, you can contact me back. So when you click on the screen, the data has been removed. 1 minute. Suggest you. I think someone deleted some parent screen's value, and after that, many of the account IDs are not working.
Okay. Yeah, in group also they were asking that only.
Yes, the data which I used is a valid data. I think because of that issue, it's not working. So do you have access to Zero?
Like I have access, but to this project I don't have. Like systematic, I don't have. I requested Lakshmi.
No, you have to ping. Okay, you have to ping Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Maybe wait. If the second data is not working, I don't know what to do. Wait, see. Let's do. So capture this one as well. Like this using this account, capture this error message XPath. XPath, you know how to capture, right? Using that whatever has been shown.
That relative path only we have to mention, you said.
Correct. Correct. So navigate to credit lines and then stop and hold after. So this is just you have to reach over here and then the very good. Okay, yeah, the data is working. So you will have to capture this particular header,
Okay.
this value, and this table. Okay, this table, this pagination items, this section, right? It's pagination items.
Yeah.
So just check if there are any common elements already present. There is something called as common, right? So in common, if pagination elements are already available, these are some of the common. When you click on it, you will see the elements available. So you can come back and see if those are common elements by any chance. If no, then create it directly in the folder. So AMSH SD stop hold I showed you, right? Where to create it. So credit lines and then stop hold. So over here, you will ask Amisha to give you the access and then you will get something called as payoff, pay down. Suppose this one, okay? I come over here, click on add elements and then I click on capture elements. I use Google Chrome, click on capture. The screen will appear. I'll give the basic URL of Systematics, this URL.
Okay.
And then I'll click on navigate. Once I click on navigate, another Chrome will be opened. So over here, I'll navigate to the screen. So, and I'll change it to manual, okay? So print and for reimagine AMSH AMSD, you have to select this branch.
Okay.
Print 200, okay? I'll give you 2 test data. Ideally both were working. Okay, use this one for now. So this is my Excel sheet. Sorry, this is my browser, which will help me capture the elements. I have come over here. Until now, I'm not capturing anything, okay?
Yeah.
Until now, I'm just sending the values and navigating to the required screen. Okay. I'll go to credit line, stop and hold. Once this opens, right, I'll click on capture. So for visible also we can go. Suppose I want to take the table, whichever tables are present on the screen, okay?
Yeah.
I want to capture the table. So either I can go for it manually or I can use visible, select the capture type to table and then click on capture. So it will go along capturing the tables which are present on the screen. So you see only one table is present and it has given the table element. This one you won't be element name and XPath, you won't be able to update right away. You will have to add the element for that. But the screen, no, but the element's name, right?
Yeah.
You can mention stop, hold, summary, table. Okay. I think you might have received the sheet from.
Yeah, you shared it to this.
So, this sheet from Amisha or probably I would have shared. So follow this naming conventions of the elements. Once that is done, you can capture many elements at a time. So I have captured one table over here, correct? I want to capture another element and I want to capture it manually. So this one I want to take, whether the header is present or not. And then this element I want. Apart from that, I can click on stop anytime I want, change the names according to the naming convention, and then come back whenever I want. Okay?
Okay.
After that, yeah, I want to capture this plus and filter option. Okay?
Mhm.
So either I can do this or I can go with buttons. But when we click on buttons, right, all the buttons on the page will be captured. So
Okay.
you'll have to filter out which button is needed. So it's better to go with the visible elements and then set it to button, and then click on capture and eliminate all the buttons which you don't need. So
Mhm.
once this has been taken, right, so element experience, all these things, I'll just show you. You can see the yellow highlighted buttons, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Whatever is being highlighted, that we were not supposed to capture those. So I'll just quickly select all those items which I don't need. So there are many actually.
Yeah.
So you will have to do this. Okay.
Mhm.
Manual one, it won't be captured as element. Suggested page we need. No name element. This one also you need in one of your test cases. Then plus icon we need, so we'll not select that because I'm going to delete it. Okay. This filter we need. So I'll just mention add icon. Click outside and then only you'll have the focus of the filter icon. Next one is single expand icon. This one is edit icon. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking outside the screen and then I'm clicking back over here and then selecting. This is delete icon. Delete icon. So first change the names, because when you change the names, right, you will know what to keep and what to remove. I
Yeah.
don't want each expand. So I'm planning. So suppose these are the only buttons. So whichever is having a proper name, we'll keep those. And
Yeah.
whichever is not having a proper name, we'll select them. I'm going to select everything because the things which we have to remove is bigger in number. So whatever I captured, right, I'm not selecting them because over here we have an option of delete. Okay.
Like that stop and hold element was there, no? Even that was being selected as button, but it didn't look like button only.
No, it was not selected as button. It is what I selected initially.
Okay.
So I can select many elements. So it's better to go one by one with less elements. Okay. Otherwise, you see this one has a hang.
Yeah.
So there is an option to delete. That's why I have selected, and further I'll go ahead and delete those extra items.
Yeah.
And then I'll select everything, and there is a button called add, right? You might have seen it.
Yeah.
I will go ahead and click on that add. I'll have to close this window. And once you click on add, right, you will be navigated to this particular. This is not responding. You got the process, right?
Yes. And like what? No, that test data which you shared, that we have to put in that account one, no? Like I had not.
Yes.
Okay.
During navigation.
Yeah, dude. Still, I get that stop and hold page. I shouldn't capture it. Only when
So entire navigation actually you have to cover. I'm not able to navigate. My screen is stuck.
Yeah.
Okay. So starting from this part, right? When you click on credit lines and then you click on stop and hold, all those items you need to capture. Like you need to capture this credit line, you need to capture this stop hold,
Okay.
and then you need to start capturing elements over here. So for now, take these items, these icons, whatever you see, the suggested pages, these all these icons, these pagination items, and then when you click on filter, you'll have to capture these items as well. When you click on add, you'll have to capture these elements as well. So this one will be named as type label and whatever value or type drop down. And the value over here will be named as type. This drop down you have to capture. So again, for drop down, you can create elements manually as well. Amisha can help you on that. This is radio button. So this is all amounts label, and this is all amounts radio button, or just all amounts you can keep. Okay.
Okay.
Same. This will be amount, and this will be amount. This will be amount label, and this will be
amount.
named as amount.
Yeah. Okay.
Submit and reset button are present in the common folder. So no need to capture them, just cross verify whether you have them or not. Same when you click on edit, you will have to capture all these elements in edit mode. And when you are not editing, right, so it will come like this. So you'll have to capture so these names, right, type, amount, high serial, exp date, this remains same, but the fields change, right? So this will be read only label when you capture in the first step, and then you will have the text boxes. Okay. When I say text boxes, actually it is like I selected button and table, right? While capturing the elements, we have to select text box. Okay.
Okay.
So when you capture, right, it will be easy for you when you do it practically on your screen. And okay, one more part I'll just explain. So over here, when I have an element,
yeah.
So you see some are text box, some are elements, and then some are button and some are table, something like that.
Yes, yes.
So this is why I capture the elements. I have selected from visual, I have selected text box, and then let the system capture everything and select add whatever I wanted.
Okay,
So
yeah.
this thing you need to follow over here. Everything else will be blank. And this part, relative XPath needs to have a value, and rest all needs to be marked as none. Go to element identifier. You will see relative XPath. Drag it to the top at first position. And save it. So once we save it like that, right? If for any element, the relative XPath was at the third or fourth section, right? It will come at the top. This will be our first choice, and rest anyways we are not using. So which one is it? It will be a valid one. Button right.
Aditi, one more thing, like that navigation, it should already be as of now. Can I just capture for this start and stop? No, like.
You don't have to write test cases now. You just have to work on element repository. Test cases we can check later on, Shabaz.
Okay.
Navigation elements you'll have to capture. Not all the navigation elements, but just the ones which are highlighted over here, right? Credit line and then stop and hold.
Yeah.
The rest of others are present, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shabaz. Just connect with Amisha, get the access, and if she wants you to give any details, ask her if you need to go through any particular, keep any particular thing in mind before capturing. Just check with her once and then proceed, okay?
Okay.
And maybe capture 3 or 4 elements and then go ahead with param screen, and once param screen is done, you can come back to this. If Saurabh asks, you can mention you were assigned param screen, okay? Lakshmi assigned, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just mention you have captured 4 or 5 elements and completed them. But after you are done with the param screen, maybe you are targeting to complete it by today, right? The param screens are small, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it's small, but to write that test cases, it takes time.
Okay. Yeah, so just inform him. And maybe tell him whenever you're getting time, you're doing hands-on on the element repository as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Shabaz.
Thanks.